Upgrade your home with AJ Madison coupons and unbelievable discounts. Are you planning to buy high-quality appliances for your home? Whether it's a state-of-the-art refrigerator, a sleek oven, or the latest washer and dryer, AJ Madison has everything you need to make your dream home a reality. But what if you could get these premium appliances at a fraction of the cost? Let me show you how to unlock incredible savings with AJ Madison coupons, promo codes, and exclusive discounts. Here's how you can do it in just 3 simple steps. Visit promosaver.net head to promosaver.net, your ultimate destination for all the best AJ Madison deals. No more searching or guessing, just a collection of discounts ready for you. Choose the best coupon for you. Scroll through a variety of deals and select the promo code that suits your purchase. From percentage discounts to exclusive savings on specific categories, there's a deal for everyone. Apply the code at checkout. Once you've added your dream appliances to your cart, apply the promo code during checkout. Watch your total drop and feel the satisfaction of making a great deal even better. This is your chance to transform your home without breaking the bank. High-quality appliances that match your lifestyle and your budget are just a few clicks away. Don't miss out on these amazing deals. Visit promosaver.net today and take the first step toward upgrading your home for less. Because you deserve the best appliances and the best savings.